So really excited to be up here at Gympie. This is a really flourishing place at the moment. There's heaps of people moving here, and the owner of this beautiful place is actually stuck down in Victoria at the moment and can't get up here to enjoy it. So they'd probably like a little video of just how beautiful the place is. So that's why we're here today, to try and capture this place in as dynamic, fluid, beautiful way as possible using the FPV drone. It's the first time I've ever done anything like this, but I'm really excited to give it a go. Obviously, this is one of the main goals, as I've said to you before. I really want to get this into a commercially viable level, so that we can sell nice cinematic cinewhoop fly-through type content. So I'm really excited to see what we can get done here today. Really excited especially to see what sort of range we've got, because it's a big property and there's lots of things that could interfere. So just willing to push the limits now and see what we can actually do. All right, everything's looking good. Let's test out this first battery. Really excited to fly somewhere different. Hopefully don't end up in the cheese. Make sure you hit that. Let's roll. So what I'm realizing here, all right, got stuck in the tree there, so we'll go see what sort of damage that did. So we got a nice soft so we got nice soft grass here, but the problem with nice soft grass is it gets tangled in the propellers by the look of it. So I'll have a bit of a job getting that out first up, but then get another go. So after the crash, just cleaned out all the grass out of the motors, so it's looking a bit better now. Just gave everything a pre-flight check and everything looks pretty good. So going to put the second battery through and yeah, see what we can come up with. little bit more successful. Yeah, just took it a little bit more easy. Obviously got the gap that I hit before, but was sliding through it, not as head-on fast as I wanted to be. So yeah, so that was good. Everyone's just worried about me hitting something, so probably won't do any close fire throughs today. It's a lot faster than I thought it would be. This is a really good learning experience because of the closer confines, the heavier winds. It's a good real life setup for me, so really happy about that. A few things to get better at, but I think mostly it's just taking it slower. Almost hit the cable up here, almost went through the sprinkler, and almost clips this tree here too, so all fun times. Yeah, so third battery time, I'll go do a quick recharge and get these ones boiling again. That was pretty awesome. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I clipped the little bottle brush things there and they flicked up into the camera. So looking forward to getting back to the computer and seeing if that's the case. All right, on to battery 5 now. Had some pretty good runs so far. Been able to come through the garage, get right around. Obviously everything's a bit faster than I'd originally planned for, but slowly getting used to it. I think what I'm gonna do is, instead of trying to do as a cinematic one shot, I'm gonna just cut all the good parts that I get together and put it together in that way. So now at the moment I'm just trying to get as many different angles and many different shots of the house from different angles as I can, so that I can put it all together later and see what we get. I'm not sure what will happen because I've never done this before, but yeah, pretty excited, and the fact that we've only had one minor crash at the moment also has me pretty excited. Done. Yeah, it went really well. I think that's 8 batteries all up, and yeah, pretty happy with the results now. It's back to the editing desk to see what we've come up with, because yeah, we don't really know until then if any of it's any good, and you know, GoPros lined up, all that sort of stuff. So fingers crossed, but pretty happy so far. For first attempt, it's definitely a good one.